Hello guys, in this video we have Motospeed RGB Backlight mechanic keyboard sent by Gearbest. Speaking of Gearbest, they are currently running a mid-year sale from 20th June until 9th of July. There are promo codes down in the description below, but they are only valid until the end of June 2018, so don't forget to check out the description below. And there is a giveaway contest in this video, so do pay attention in the video so that I can tell you how you're gonna win this Motospeed RGB Backlight mechanical keyboard. And now back to the box, we can see a panther head logo on top of the box, and on the side we can see Motospeed branding and also some QR code for you to access their website to check out more details on this keyboard. On the other side of the box we can see mechanical key switches, high performance with 50 million keystroke lifecycle, so this should be a very durable keyboard. On the right hand side of the box we can see color LED mechanical keyboard, night cool LED lighting effects, RGB cool LED backlight, suspend on keycap design. And they also added more details at the back of the box like support common game mode button backlight, full keyboard without conflict, fast response, all mechanical switches, professional eSport player standard equipment. And on top there is a photo of the keyboard with some key features, one of them telling that those keycaps are double injection, so you don't have to worry about those printed character or symbol will be faded after you hit it for multiple times. And that's it about what the box can tell us. Let's unbox it and check out the keyboard. And first thing we can see a user manual in multiple languages, that is Chinese, Korean, Japanese, English, German, Spanish, and so on. And this is the warranty card, or you want to call it paper. And then they also include the keycaps removal so that you can replace your keycap. And finally the keyboard, we can see it is well protected with the foam. Now let's check out the keyboard. We can see this is a full-size keyboard with 104 mechanical keys, black color keycaps with aluminum base in silver colors. Let me turn it around so that you can see the shining part of the aluminum base. Nice texture. It is slightly heavier than those normal keyboard, but if you compare with others mechanical keyboard, this should be one of the lightest mechanical keyboard. And this is the back of the keyboard. Nothing much except there are extensions to make the keyboard lift higher. Let's open it up. And same to the other side. And we turn over and try it out. And we can see the keyboard stay firm on the table. Now let's check out the cable. It's just like a normal plastic covered cable with USB type A. And it is in gold color. And here we got the keycaps removal. Let's try to remove one of the key. So we can see this is a double injection keycaps. On top is a black color printed. And underneath is the semi-transparent material so that the LED light can get through. And now let's check out the switch. It is in red color and it supports all key without conflict. And all key are responsive, unlike some of the keyboard, some of the key when you hit it, it won't respond to anything. Now let's check out the keyboard. By default it is in red color LED light, so to switch to the game mode we can press the function key and the number key. So there are 5 gaming modes preset to the keyboard. We can switch to the gaming mode that we want, and we also allow to customize the key that we want. So by pressing the function key and the home key, we are now entering the customize mode. Then we can select those keys that we want and cycling around to choose the color that we want. And once we have done, we just have to press another time on the function key and the home key to save it. So this is the game mode 1, switch to game mode 2, back to game mode 1, we can see this is a customized game mode. To reset, we press the function key and the escape key. Now the keyboard has been reset and everything back to the default. If you want to turn off the backlight, you can press on function key and print screen key. Now the backlight is off, and pressing the same keys to turn it back on. And that is also the indicator for the num locks, cap locks, and so on. We are also allowed to adjust the brightness of the backlight by pressing the function key and arrow up for brighter and arrow down for dimmer. If you want to change the color of the backlight, you can press on function key and delete key. And there are 7 colors of choices. To switch to another lighting effect, we can press on the function key and the insert key. As we can see, the backlight getting brighter and dimmer over time. To adjust the speed of the effect, we can press on function key and arrow key left or right. Let's turn off the light so that we can see the backlight effect. We can also press on the function and delete to change the color. Now this is the game superior mode. You can see the highlight key for the gaming. And next is the rainbow mode, which is supposed to be showing rainbow colors. And pass without trace mode, which the backlight will trace on the key that you press on and go off after you're losing it for a while. Next is the mix light ripple. You can see the light is moving from left to right. And also we can change the color. And next effect is rainbow horse race. Next is the very cool effect, which is the colorful dazzles. It is like a wave effect centered on the key that you press on. Maybe you still don't get what I mean? Let's turn on the light and let me show you again. And next is the aircraft effect. And last, the colorful time effect, which is the rainbow flowing effect. So let's talk about how you're gonna win this keyboard. The step is very easy. You just have to subscribe to Casual Tech YouTube channel and then you like and comment in this video. And last, screenshot your comments and post it on Casual Tech Facebook page. And now back to the keyboard. We can see some of the reviews saying that this keyboard is quite noisy, but I personally think that this is how the gaming keyboard should work. The key should be crisp while hitting them. That's how it creates the intense while playing game. Now let me show you how the keyboard sounds like while I'm randomly typing on it. When trying to be soft. That's it for this video, and the giveaway contest will be end on 30th June 2018. If you missed out the step to win this keyboard, then you have to re-watch this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.